In this video, I'll show you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, go to Google, and search for Google Gemini. Click on the official website to access the platform. Once you're on Gemini, create your document. For example, you can generate a landscaping proposal with details like company name, services, and pricing. Gemini can also generate sample company and contact information for you. Next, go to the Tools section and select Canvas. This allows you to organize and structure your document. After arranging everything, click Submit to finalize your document. To convert it into a PDF, click the Print button. In the print settings, choose Save as PDF under Destination and confirm. That's it. Your PDF is ready to use. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching.